Hello everyone. Let's talk about the C50 Robot vacuum cleaner. This little gadget aims to simplify your cleaning routine without emptying your wallet. First impressions? It's surprisingly compact, only 3.11 inches tall, meaning it can slip under most furniture with ease. But don't let the slim profile fool you. The C50 packs a punch with 2,600 pascals of suction power. That's enough to lift dirt, dust, and even pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. It features smart IR remote control, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, 2,600 pascal strong suction for cleaning modes, anti-drop sensors, automatic self-charging robotic vacuum cleaner, ultra-thin. One of the standout features is its intelligent navigation. Instead of just bumping around randomly, the C50 uses 18 different sensors to map out an efficient zigzag cleaning path. This ensures it covers every nook and cranny of your rooms while avoiding obstacles like furniture legs and stray shoes. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop function is another plus. The C50 can vacuum and mop simultaneously, saving you time and effort. The intelligent water tank precisely controls the water flow, preventing overwetting and ensuring your floors are left sparkling clean. You've also got a range of cleaning modes to choose from. Scheduled cleaning lets you set a cleaning time that fits your schedule. Deep cleaning provides extra suction for stubborn messes. Edge cleaning focuses on those hard-to-reach areas along walls and baseboards. And spot cleaning is perfect for tackling spills and concentrated dirt. The C50 also comes equipped with anti-drop sensors, so you don't have to worry about it tumbling downstairs. And when the battery is low, it automatically returns to its charging base. The 360 Smart Life provides 12-month warranty.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.